Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good, especially in this pandemic period where corona cases are rising day by day and things are getting worse. Please stay home and stay safe and stop corona from spreading. Now, allow me to ask you a question. Have you ever seen someone who is always unhappy, who always think that they cannot do something or they are incapable of doing something? You have, right? But what do you think? What makes them think this way? Any guesses? The answer, my friend, is their mind. Our minds are the one of the most complex thing in this world. No one really knows in what situation how will it react. When it wants to eat, we get food. When it wants something, we try our best to get that thing. Right? But when our minds are unsatisfied, we feel this weird discomfort. We feel that we don't have something or we lack something, isn't it? Now, many of you ask me, is there a way to become happy with what you have and who you are? Is there a way to accept and believe in your abilities? Of course, there is. The first step, my friend, is stop comparing. Stop comparing yourself than whoever you think are better than you. There will always be someone ahead of you. And if you dwell to be the first, you are never going to make it, you know? If you let thoughts like, whoa, he's so good at it. He makes me feel like a joke. Cloud your mind. You'll never be satisfied and you'll always have that sense of lacking. Remember, there is no herb which can't be used as a medicine. There is no letter that is not a part of a prayer. There is no metal that can't be used as a jewelry. Similarly, there is no person who is incapable. You may think that you are nothing for this world. You are not worth even as a penny. But just turn around. Look at the people you call your own. For someone out there, you are their whole world. Remember this. I hope this video was informative and you enjoyed it. For more videos like this, please like this video, share, and make sure to subscribe. I come up with videos every week. Thank you for watching.